How to factory reset Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and S23 FE using phone setting. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to general management. Tap on it. Now again scroll up to reset. Tap the reset. Again scroll down. Here you can see the factory data reset option at the last. Reset your phone to its factory default setting. This will erase all data including files, downloaded application, your Google account, Samsung account or all third-party application. So make sure backup your data first before factory reset your Samsung device. Now tap the factory data reset. Now you can see the all data will be erased. Here you can see the list: Google account, system and app data, setting, downloaded apps, music, picture, your Gmail account data, you log in with your account, application, Facebook and any other application. Now tap on the reset button at the bottom. Now all your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. So make sure backup your data. After that, tap on a delete all button. Tap on delete all. Now you need to verify your email account. Now tap on a send mail. Now sending email. You need to accept this. Now tap your mail account. Now tap on a link to factory reset. Now one time permission for Samsung account access. Now go to settings and you can see factory data, automatically factory data reset your Samsung device. Now wait until completely format, erase all your phone data and you can see your phone looks like a new device. It will reset all your setting to factory default. All your downloaded application, Google account, all will remove. You need to set up. Now you can see the welcome screen. So you need to set up your phone again. Good. Tap on start. Agree all. So you need to set up your phone, set up manually. You can also transfer data with Samsung to Samsung, Samsung to iPhone, etc. Skip. Next. Here you can allow location or any other application. Tap on accept. Skip. Here you can set up screen lock. Now Samsung services, agree. Set the light or dark theme. We select the dark theme. Next. Now you can see set up your Samsung device and all downloaded application will be removed. Your Google account remove. You need to set up it. Now you can see you are all set up. Tap on a finish and you can see. Now let's see, you need to sign in with your Google account or Samsung account to download the application. That's it. Like it, share it.